in this lesson, we'll begin to create some phonemes for our character. We'll start with the F shape. So here is, back to our base guy here. So we want to create an F shape. So we want the bottom lip to kind of roll in and insert under the top teeth, basically. So the first thing we'll do is I'm going to pull the bottom teeth down a bit. So I'll take the teeth subtool, and again we'll do our, so I didn't save that with the polygroups. Go ahead and group that. And now we've got our polygroups. So I just need to move the bottom teeth out of the way. Go ahead and hide all these top teeth. And then I'll just go to the side view, go to move, and rotate those out of the way a little bit. Back slightly. Doesn't matter too much because they'll be hidden, but okay. Alright, now we'll take the head and take this bottom lip and start to roll it in. So got our our move tool active. I'm going to go ahead and mask off the top part of the lip so we don't accidentally grab something there. So go ahead and pull that in and down. Okay, we want the teeth to come down on the, almost to the edge where the lip meets the skin. Almost at that point. Go ahead and flatten the top of the lip out a little bit as it's underneath the teeth. Just pull it in a bit more as we are kind of exaggerating everything. Go up a level, check that out. Maintain the shape of the lip. Okay, and as this lip is underneath the teeth, we want to kind of bulge out the sides of this here. So we'll go ahead and go to our standard brush. Bulge this out a bit. Okay. Let's go ahead and move it in even a little bit more. Get our move tool back there. So we can clearly see those teeth. Okay. And let's go ahead and move the corners of the mouth back. So I'll just unmask everything. There we go. Move the corners of the mouth back a bit. Okay, let's move the top of the mouth up just slightly and together. And then let's move this flesh up as this mouth comes up just a little bit. Pull this out slightly. Go ahead and go up and check up here. And come in and add more bulge up there as it's puffed out a little bit. Just very subtle. Okay. And as these come in, you probably want to pull out these flaps a little bit. As that the corners push back in there just slightly. So just something like that. Okay. Now any of these shapes in which we've moved the teeth, you can export those teeth as an OBJ and just call them something like teeth F or whatever it is, whatever expression they're related to. You can export those so that when you bring those into Maya, you can bring the teeth in as well and involve that in the blend shape. But you can also move the teeth within Maya. All right, so just feel free to do it either way. You can try it as an experiment. But in this case, the bottom teeth are just kind of moved so they'll be out of the way. All right. So there is our F shape. So I'll go ahead and save that, and also export an OBJ of that. And so let's go ahead and in the next lesson look at creating an L shape, which is going to be slightly more complex and involving the interior of the mouth a little bit more. So let's go ahead and take a look at that next.